check before and after. Add your picture in Lightroom. Click on Edit. Then click on Optics. On this Settings, click on Detail. Increase Sharpening Amount.
+45.
Increase Masking Setting. Then click on Noise.
Noise reduction +30. Contract +25.
Select Color Noise. Color Noise Reduction +24. Effect. Clarity +6. Texture +6.
Dehaze -6.
Click on Color. Then increase Vibrance +6. Then click on Mix.
Adjust the color setting.
Saturation +67. And Hue 26. Select Next Color. Saturation +27. Next Color.
Saturation -4. Luminance +7.
Then Next Color. Saturation Decrease. Next Color. Saturation Decrease. Next Color. Saturation 40. Next Color. Saturation 47. Next Color. Decrease Saturation. Click on Done. Then click on Light. Exposure increase 10. Contrast increase 10. Highlights decrease 6. Shadow increase 8. Whites decrease 8. Black decrease 20. Then share picture in second application. Click on Effect, Soft Smudge. Click on 3. Click on Mask. Zoom picture with 2 fingers. Then erase face parts. Done. Again, click on Soft Smudge. Click 1. And click on Done. Click on Enhance. Then click on Wave Filter. Select Denoise. Then click on Mask. Remove the filter from hair, eyes, eyebrows, and lips.
Click on Auto.
Select Auto Contrast. Adjust contrast with finger. Done. Click on Sharpen. Click on Edge Preserve. Adjust Effect. Done. Again Sharpen. Click on General. Done. Then save. Thanks for watching.